I'm so excited and so happy, a little bit emotional as well, because I suppose I'm sensing the wellspring of support for Jessie and realising what she has done for art, for film, and for us as a family, and for Ireland.
Yeah. Do you ever dream of this day? Did she dream of this day where she'd be nominated for an Oscar?
Do you know, I have a funny feeling she did, because from a very young age she was forever exploring, creating, and then I've seen her grow, through a path of steady learning, always building, always wanting to push the boundaries of learning. And so I would say that maybe quietly she had her eyes set on this. She always said that Dame Judi Dench was her role model, and of course she's an Oscar winner, so she had a very good role model there. Then we never really expect that the day will come.
Yeah. And you mentioned role models. She's spoken about the lessons you've taught her as she was growing up that she wants to pass on to her own daughter. How are you going to kind of guide her through the next few days? Is there any wisdom you'll share? Any advice?
As her mom, I am there for her every day. And I think the thing I say to her most is, Jessie, I am so proud of how you have remained yourself. And I will be saying to her over the next few days, just continue being yourself, because you're doing that beautifully and you're doing a really important job in that. And whatever happens, you are still my Jessie.
The Oscars is on Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Would it be the best Mother's Day ever?
It would be just an incredible Mother's Day, Never would expect that you'd be spending Mother's Day at the Oscars in LA, but to be there as a mom and just look up at your precious and beautiful little girl, well, there's nothing better than that.